Hey, McMuffin here. McLovin's right there. There she is.
Here I am.
So, here
How's
we
it
are.
going? Here we are, just two normal teenage girls. Not really.
I don't know what to say.
What?
Oh my god.
What?
I'm here.
What did you say?
Oh, cause he's all like, cause he's all like, what's it called? Ew, it smells like the treatment.
Does it?
He's like, I don't want to go to school ever again. And I'm like, why? He's like, can the teacher do something to you? He's like, yes. And I'm like, does it touch you in unwanted places? And he's like, yes. And I asked her if he needed therapy. And he said yes. Oh, I know.
This is so dumb.
God, our other video was better. Why did we delete it?
Why did you do it?
Isn't it better up with this? It's a little pointed since you made it all whoopie doo.
Who has a little work to do, Tommy?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, Tommy? You're being talked about on your YouTube video.
Better
Consider
thank
yourself
us.
famous.
Yeah, man. How? I don't know. Well.
Oh! Did anybody watch Twilight?
Any hands? Raise your hand.
Oh, I see a few. There's
Hey, kid.
Bravo.
We watched it twice.
We watched it
yesterday.
we watched it today. We watched it the day it came out. Right after
Because
school.
we're cool, but.
I recorded it on my phone. Oh, if I say that, will I get in trouble?
No.
Oh.
Yes, because that's illegal!
Well, I deleted it, so.
I'm just kidding, Lila. I mean, my Kamasa, I love you.
Yeah. Oh. That was her name.
We revealed our secret identities.
No, we didn't. We were just kidding.
I mean, God help us. What?
Look. I think I'm going to
He's like, will you be my secret? That depends on how you behave. You're like, fuck yeah, man.
Yeah?
Yeah.
No. So, the Twilight movie, yeah, I read the 4 books.
Are you really finished with the last one?
Yeah?
When did you finish it?
Like a super long time ago.
I'm only on the
It's
second.
not like you were gonna catch up either.
Shut up,
She's barely on the second one. The second one is so bad.
Ah!
You wanna know why? Cause Edward leaves Bella, and it's like, what the?
Freaking. And Lila's spoiling everybody. I mean, everything.
You want me to spoil it? Alright, here it goes.
No.
In the first
Shut
one,
up.
we all.
Lala.
I'm talking about the first one.
Oh, okay.
In the first one, we all know how she discovers he's a vampire. He's a vampire and stuff.
And she falls
Oh, that smells
unconditionally.
good. And she falls. And I was unconditionally
Shut up.
Wait, I forgot how to say it. Irrevocably in love with him. You know, that's it. And they fall in love and blah blah blah. And the second one, you know, Jacob without the long hair. He's you know, from wolves and stuff, and they're like wolves and vampires are all enemies. So when Edward leaves, Bella starts talking to Jacob, and then guess what? Jacob is a werewolf, and all these other guys start turning into werewolves and stuff. And they get all big, And then Bella, Edward thinks that Bella's dead, so he goes try to kill himself to the wolf tree, and he's not and stuff, and the wolf is saying, you have to be a vampire, Bella, and stuff. And Edward and Bella get married, and she gets married only because she wants to, like, do it with him.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah,
she's like, I want that to be my last human being, and that's what I don't want to miss when I'm not a human.
What?
And to like do it, to be able to experience that being human and blah blah blah. So they get married, they go to this island, Esme's island, and Esme, and that's how they do it. And then she gets a bunch of bruises because they do it, because he's like, oh, it's too dangerous. And then she starts having these dreams about these little kids and stuff, and then all of a sudden she's like, Edward, oh my god, I'm pregnant. And the baby, it gets all crazy, and then like it starts hitting her from the inside, and she has these bruises and stuff. And then she has a baby named Nessie, but she has the power to like put in thoughts into people's minds. And then Bella gets a power. Her power is she has like a force thing, so like nobody can do stuff to her. You know how Edward can read minds?
Funny. Mm-hmm. My mother.
What was I talking about?
Edward.
Oh yeah, and then Edward finally can read Bella's mind.
Mande. Alright.
Look at this phone. Look how little it is. Oh, I want to see your nail polish. Where is it?
Over there. Where's it going?
I need a purple one.
What? Milagro que te estás peinando. I don't say for it. Oh, we're making a YouTube video, Mom. Yeah, whatever. We are! Can I borrow it for a minute? What? Let me check something? No, why not? We're making a YouTube video. Look at that, 2 minutes. Alright, okay, but when you're done checking the what we're looking about it?
Stop it.
Yeah, stop it.